Let's unbox the Dior 2024 Advent Calendar halfway through January because I kind of forgot about it, got a little bit too busy. A little clip there, open it up, and that's it. I mean, it's beautiful, but I think I paid $1,100 Australian this year for it. Last year's was $990 or something like that. I can't believe I haven't even done this. So it comes in little drawers. It's got a little, I don't know if there might be a whole info card about the whole thing. Anyway, oh, I use this. So this is the, that's a cleanser. I'll show you that down there. I use that when I go away. 2 is a very small day. They all come a little wrapped. Really worth it. We do get these for free. It's a little Dior. I've got like my little perfumes there. You can see how many of the little Diors I have. That's not even all of them. Perfume. Ah, that little Miss Dior. Oh, it's a funny shaped box. Looks like the men's Sauvage or something. Yeah. My husband's got heaps of these up here. This looks a little bit more worth it. Oh, yes. Love these. These are the lip plumpers. Has no colour to it. Sometimes when you put this on, it does that like milky thing. So just give your lips a bit of a scrub after you've done your foundation and stuff, and then put this on. 6. Another little 7. The Iconic Curl. I don't mind this one. I use it. 8 down here. This is the blush. It's really, really pretty. Really, really pink. But I've already got one. I have extra. I'm going to pass along to other people. I've got daughters and stuff like that, and they love a lot of the Dior products like I do, and I've got friends, so I'll just give it to them. And my niece. Oh, what's this? How cute. It's got a little CD there. What is this? Oh, it's an eyeshadow. That is so, oh, that is so pretty. I love that. This, I like. This, I'm happy with. This, I do not have. And look, this is not exciting because we get these for free. Yeah. I don't know. 12. So this is the Total Cap-Towel or Cap-Towel to Towel serum. My daughter, who's 23, she really, really likes this, so she'll get this. So I have these. I have a few different colors in the nail lacquers, polishes, whatever. I have the base coat and the top coat with these, and they don't last. Within a day, not even within a day, within half. Just stopped recording for some reason. So what I was saying with the nail polish was it chips. It chips. Don't even bother with it. So up to 14. This stuff is the reason why I buy this calendar. They're like my little travels. So this is the La Creme in the Prestige range. Absolutely fantastic. I use it every single day. I have the big one. I just buy the refills for it. I think this is brilliant. And this will now be my new travel one. 15. I'm going to do this fast. This looks like another travel Prestige. Yes, I love this stuff. This is the Micro Hue de Rose. I use this all the time. I've got the really, really big one, and I love the little travels because the big one is effing huge. Let me show you the different. So this is the really big one. This is the mini, and this is not a deluxe sample. Deluxe samples even smaller than this. I've probably got one somewhere. So I don't want to take this with me. I take this with me, and that's much more convenient, a lot easier. 16. Another one of these. 17. Another nail polish. Ooh, it's pretty. It's gold and sparkly. I like that. Even though it doesn't last very long. Might take it to the nail salon and see if they can make it last. 18. Ooh, lip balm. I already have one of these, so I'll save that. I really like this lip balm. Might give it to one of the daughters, we'll see. 19, another little baby sample of another Miss Dior. There are a lot of different Miss Diors. You can tell the difference by the little bows. They've got different colors. Like, see, this one's got like a silver. So yeah, they've all got like a slight different sort of scent to it, but you can tell by the bows this one's sparkly. 20, looks promising, looks promising. Looks, ooh, another one of these little, I like these are cute. Another eyeshadow. Ooh, silver. Very, very pretty. So I mess on the floor. 21, we are nearly there. Lippy, $9.99 I'm guessing. Oh no, $7.20. Still, it's a deep red. I don't use these. I mean, you can put them on lightly, but my daughter will use that though. 22, another J'adore. Thank you. 23. Oh, full size. Get into it, get into it. Please be nice. I hate this color. It's just the red, like $9.99 red satin. 24, the Dort and All Doors, supposed to be amazing. It is the same every year, but it is beautiful. I do keep them, although small. Don't ask me to pronounce that because I have no idea. It is very similar to the one that we got last year. It's a candle, by the way. Ooh, smells ritzy. This packaging is quite similar to last year's. I've actually got last year's candle sitting right there. So this is last year's candle here. Haven't even opened it, like I've still got it in the plastic. But if you have a look, it's very similar. Last year's, this year's. Very similar. So that's day 24 last year and day 24 this year. Very similar. Was that worth it? Absolutely not. Is it worth being a platinum member? Absolutely not. Did I explain why? No, I did not. Why? Because I can't multitask, and it would have been 20,000 million hours long. So I might do another video if anyone's interested in why I do not think platinum membership is worth it, especially in Australia, and definitely depends on where you actually shop for your Dior. So anyway, that's it.